nVidia has earnings tonight. It's going to be tricky. Here's what you can expect. Okay, nVidia has earnings tonight, and it's going to be interesting because this is basically like the number one stock out there right now. And if you take a look at your screen, what you're seeing is this huge run up here from about the 480 level all the way up to this level of what, like 740, 750, something like that. That's a pretty big run up. Now, we have numbers tonight, and usually stocks that are like this run up into numbers based on this frenzy. And you can see yesterday, and it's pre-market right now, you could see yesterday this stock sold off. In fact, it had a gap down, which I'll talk about in a minute. And so that's the anticipation of the sell the news part of this. Now, the sell the news is interesting because there is so much hype going into these numbers. Like, some analysts are expecting this company to 10x their profits because they're really profitable on these chips, and they're running a great company. There's no question about it. By the way, check out this video where I said, get rid of your nVidia if you bought it at the beginning of the year when I said it was one of my stocks of the year. I said, let's pull it off the table going into numbers. Let's pull it off the table because it's had parabolic run. And I wasn't exactly at the top when I said that, but pretty close. And since then, we've sold off maybe 60, 70, 80 points. You could see this morning, pre-market, the stock is right now at 682, off $12 or almost off 2% after this big downdraft yesterday on high volume. That's telling you there's a lot of smart money getting out of this, or at least a lot of frenzy of trying to get out. Let's just start with what the fundamentals are of the company. They're amazing, right? Earnings per share change from last quarter, 593%. 3-year earnings per share growth rate, 30%. Anything over 20, 25% is great. Earnings per share estimate change this quarter, 243%. That's a consensus estimate, roughly. Annual return on equity, 34.4%. Sales percentage change, 206. 3-year sales growth, 31. I mean, this is good stuff all the way around. That's why the stock is the number 3 capitalized company in the world, right? Behind Apple and Microsoft, which are the top 2 right now. And so it has now vaulted itself past Amazon even to become one of the elite stocks. And so you got to pay attention to the stock, but that doesn't mean that you need to take big risks going into numbers tonight. Here's what they're expecting. The company is expecting basically to post $4.51 per share in its upcoming report. And that's a year-over-year change in earnings for the quarter of 412%. Now, that's a big number. And if they make 411%, I don't know. I think that the street is going to use that as an excuse to sell this off. In fact, I think this thing is going to sell off on the news anyway. I don't trade on this. I'm just telling you, be careful. Hedge your position. Sell some calls deep in the money just to protect yourself. Revenues are expected to be $20.18 billion, up 233.5% from the year ago quarter. Same deal. If they only go up 200%, the street's going to go, oh, well, they didn't go up as much as we thought. And so the stock will get sold off. They'll use anything tonight, even a forward guidance thing, to sell this company off. That's the way Wall Street plays these games. I don't know if I'm right or not. I'm just saying I've seen this pattern happen a lot. I don't think this is a company that's going to vault up from this point. All right, so that was the fundamentals. Let's look at some of the technicals here. Let's start with this spot right here on the chart. And you can see that was a gap up to kind of culminate the last half of this run up in the last couple of weeks. So it was a gap up around 637, something like that. That is, to me, where the stock wants to go. That's like a little magnet on the screen where the stock wants to come back and test. It wants to fill that gap and get it out of the way because gaps get filled. And so it ran up. It had a gap down yesterday. That's what this little line I put in here is for, right? And it's probably going to have a gap down today. So you're going to have 2 gaps down, which will also want to be filled at some point. And so you'll see this stock, if I'm right, I don't know if I'm right, I'm just guessing. I'm just trying to tell you to protect yourself. But you'll see this stock probably gap down and touch this 637. Whether it touches it and comes all the way down and tests this 50-day moving average, I don't know. It probably won't. But there will be a lot of action here in the next 3 days coming into Friday on nVidia, where we're going to shake out a lot of these people that are taking their profits, and we're going to try to get positioned for the next leg up. You can see there was a very big coil down here. Let's see here if I can draw that. See that spot right there? See how long this thing stayed in this range? That was the coiling of a spring, and that's why you got this gigantic run up going into these numbers here for basically the last month and a half. And so you're seeing the stock just tear based on this huge coiling of a spring. Now, when they do that, they either make a new level, okay, right in here, where you'll see a new level being made, probably right in here. And so that new level will be where it establishes this new coil if it's intended to go up. And I fully think that nVidia over time is going to go up. So listen, bottom line here is to protect yourself with nVidia. If you've made a bunch of money, just hedge the position, right? You don't have to get out of it. Just hedge the position so that if it goes down, you can protect yourself. Like the way I would recommend is selling calls that are maybe the $600 or $650 calls. You can get a lot of money for those when you sell them because there's huge juice going into those, and that will protect you going into these numbers. I don't like to be exposed to companies going into numbers. So many things can happen. They make announcements, they split off, they do stock splits, they do weird stuff. And in one day, you can wipe out your whole fortune. So be careful with that, okay? So anyway, nVidia has numbers tonight, has earnings tonight. Be careful going into them, and I hope you make a ton of money this week. Take care.